Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press any of the buttons, then press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu, like this. Here you can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of watch faces. You can also use the rotating bezel to scroll through the list as well. Find the watch face you like, and to apply it, simply tap on it, like this. You can also customize the watch faces. To do it, open the watch face menu back, and under the watch face you have customize button, tap on it. And here we can change the hands. To do it, you can swipe up and down, like this, or you can use the bezel to scroll through the options. Once you're done, swipe left on the screen to go to another option. Now we can change the color, like this, then swipe left, and here we can change the widget on our watch. Let's leave it at battery. And once you're done, just tap OK. You can also change the watch face by using the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. And on the phone, let's open the Samsung Wearable app, Galaxy Wearable rather. In the app, tap on Watch Faces. And here you have My Watch Faces. Let's tap this arrow on the right side to open the list of watch faces on our watch. And now we can change the watch face simply by tapping on one, like this. We can also customize some of them right here in the app. As you can see, we have customize option right here. Tap on it. You have pre-made options right here. You can select one, or you can tap on color to change the color. Then here we have widgets. We can change first one, second one, third one, fourth one, maybe this one, and the last one. Then tap save, and our watch face will apply. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.